48వ దశకం యమలోర్జునోద్ధారము. ముదాసురౌఘైస్మ్యముదారసమ్మదైరుదీర్య దామోదర ఇత్యభిష్టుతః మృదూదరస్వైరములూఖలే లగన్నదూరతో ద్వౌ కకుభావుదైక్షధాః కుబేరసూనుర్నలకూబరాభిధః పరో మణిగ్రీవ ఇతి ప్రధాం గతః మహేషసేవాధిగతశ్రియోన్మదౌ చిరం కిల తద్విముఖావఖేలతాం సురాపగాయాం కిల తౌ మదోత్కటౌ సురాపగాయత్ బహుయౌవతావృతౌ వివాససౌ కేళిపరౌ సనారదో భవత్పదైకప్రవణో నిరైక్షత భియా ప్రియాలోకముపాత్తవాససం పురో నిరీక్ష్యాపి మదాంధచేతసౌ ఇమౌ భవద్భక్త్యుపశాంతిసిద్ధయే మునిర్జగౌ శాంతిమృతే కుతః సుఖం యువామవాప్తౌ కకుభాత్మతాం చిరం హరిం నిరీక్ష్యాథ పదం స్వమాప్నుతం ఇతీరితౌ తౌ భవదీక్షణస్పృహాం గతౌ వ్రజాంతే కకుభౌ బభూవతుః అతంద్రమింద్రద్రుయుగం తథావిధం సమేయుషా మంధరగామినా త్వయా తిరాయితోలూఖలరోధనిర్ధుతౌ చిరాయ జీర్ణౌ పరిపాతితౌ తరూ అభాజిశాఖిద్వితయం యదా త్వయా తదైవ తద్గర్భతలాన్నిరేయుషా మహాత్విషా యక్షయుగేన తత్క్షణాదభాజి గోవింద భవానపి స్తవైః ఇహాన్యభక్తోపి సమేష్యతి క్రమాత్ భవంతమేతౌ ఖలు రుద్రసేవకౌ మునిప్రసాదాత్ భవదంగ్రిమాగతౌ గతౌ వృణానౌ ఖలు భక్తిముత్తమాం తతస్తరూర్దారణ దారుణారవ ప్రకంపి సంపాతిని గోపమండలే విలజ్జిత త్వజ్జననీ ముఖేక్షిణా వ్యమోక్షినందేన భవాన్ విమోక్షదః మహీరుహోర్మధ్యగతో బతార్భకో హరేః ప్రభావాద పరీక్షతోధునా ఇతి బ్రువాణైర్గమితో గృహం భవాన్ మరుత్పురాధీశ్వర పాహి మాం గదాత్ మరుత్పురాధీశ్వర పాహి మాం గదాత్. యమళార్జునోద్ధారము అనే 48వ దశకం సమాప్తం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయము దశకం 48. యమళార్జునోద్ధారము. freeing Nalakobara and Manigriva from their curse. Nalakobara and Manigriva were sons of Lord Kubera, who had become trees by the curse of sage Narada. These trees were standing in the courtyard of Lord Krishna's house. The child Krishna dragged the mortar in between those trees and broke both the trees. Nalakobara and Manigriva regained their original forms. O Lord Guruvayurappa, you with a soft belly, who was praised by the extremely happy Devas, who were surrounding you, was called as Damodara by them, and you slowly caught the mortar and stood and saw two Maruta trees nearby. Nalakobara was the son of Kubera, the god of wealth, and so was Manigriva, who was very famous, and both of them by penance to Lord Shiva, prettiness and form, became very arrogant and led a life without thinking about you. Those Nalakobaras, who were once surrounded by large number of ladies, who were dancing and singing under the total influence of alcohol, and were taking bath in the nude in the holy river Ganges, and were drowned in various types of romantic sports with those ladies, were seen by sage Narada, who was your great devotee, and who was worshipped by the entire universe. Even though the ladies, on seeing the sage, gathered their clothes and dressed themselves and were being clearly seen by the Nalakobaras, they, blinded by just and having lost their wisdom, did not stop what they were doing, and were told by the great sage as follows, so that they would get devotion towards you, and also would be able to keep away their minds from the base acts. You both would live as Marutha trees for a very long time, and after seeing Lord Hari, you would go back to your places. And hearing these words, those Nalakobara and Manigriva, with anxiety to see you quickly, became Marutha trees in Vrajadesha. You, who were slow moving, approached those trees without any hesitation or fear, and entered in between those trees, which were very much worn out due to their age, and pulling the entangled mortar made the trees fall. O Govinda, as soon as you broke those two trees, two very radiant yakshas came out of those trees and immediately started singing your praises. Definitely, devotees of other gods would gradually reach and worship you, and these devotees of Shiva have reached your feet due to the blessing of Narada, and prayed for great devotion to you and went back. Hearing the horrible sound of the trees falling, the Gopas were scared and came running to the spot, and you were freed from your bandage by Nanda, who was starting at the very much ashamed and bent face of Yashoda. The Gopas, saying that this baby who was caught in between the trees was only saved by the power of Lord Vishnu without any problems, and took you to your home, and O Lord of Guruvayur, O Guruvayurappa, you may kindly save me from this disease. You may kindly save me from this disease.